What's up, YouTube? I'm back, you guys, with another segment of Cooking with Cookie. So right now, I am about to pop in a little garlic scampies and some corn. And I haven't been on the camera in 2 to 3 days, so I said, I'm taking my hair out, you guys. My braids need to come out. I'm looking crazy. Don't judge me. So I'm taking out my hair, and I said, I need something quick that I don't gotta play too much in. So I said, let me make some scampies and some corn. So I got me some shrimp cleaned off, peeled already, and I got my corn. I'm gonna be using Old Bay and some pure garlic, the usual players, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley. I have a guy coming tomorrow for my detector. That's another reason why I haven't been on the camera. It's super annoying. There's something going on in the lines. The entire thing is removed from the ceiling and it's still talking. I was gonna throw it outside. But anyway, we are gonna pop in this real quick meal. Scampies, garlic scampies are not that serious. I don't know if you guys ever been to Red Lobster or anywhere like that and ordered some scampies. It's a really, really simple thing to make. So I'm gonna show you guys how we do it. So let's get cooking, my good lookings. All right, so first I use my little pie baking dish because you guys don't know. I'm pulling out my hair. I painted my room. I did so much today that I really do not have time to even go looking for my baking trays. But I said I want to show you guys this little thing that I always do. Pop these in. If you guys yet haven't seen my other snack that I made the other day that I love, oh my God, that I love making, which is my little BLT on the Hawaiian rolls. You guys can go and check that out. That video is real. I make those sandwiches in less than 10 minutes. And that's something, a quick little snack. I made it for you guys if you guys want to check it out. I was on my way out and I just said I'm going to throw it together. I felt like I burnt my bread a little bit, but I got it together. So yeah, right now we're going to put all of the shrimps, tuck them all in. I don't know why today they're not fitting. Normally this this is a 1 bag extra large shrimp, if you guys are wondering. Nothing crazy. Yeah. Flakes. Next is butter. All right, so you cut up half a stick of butter. Little pieces go a long way. Covered. Half a stick of butter, baby. Better make it what? What do you ever say? Better make it taste better, baby. Don't forget your butters. All right. All right. Now we're gonna do for the main ingredient, we're gonna mince up some garlic cloves. Chop them up real fine. All right, chop them up real small. Your raw natural garlic, and you're just gonna spread it all around because this is garlic shrimp scampi, baby. You want it to have that real fresh garlic taste, not just garlic powder. All right, so it should look like this. You're gonna pop it in the oven for, I'm gonna say you put it about, I wanna say like maybe 10, 15 minutes. You guys know me. I normally eyeball everything. I try to give you an estimate, but once your items are golden brown, nice sizzle, you know shrimp doesn't take long to make. So we're gonna put these in the oven, and then we're gonna start on our corn, which also I'll show you guys how I do my corn and how it gets nice and tasty, all right? So let's put this in the oven, and then we'll start on the corn. All right, so we're back with the corns. Here's my little shrimp bowl again, just to show you. So because it's quite a few of us at the house, I take my corn and I break them in half. It's best of the half that I can call a half. I don't just leave them whole. I break them in half so the kids, everybody can get. And then I'm gonna rinse them off. So I rinsed off the corns, and because we're doing this garlic butter theme, what I do is I take the other half of the butter that I use for the shrimp. It's a half, it's one stick I use for the entire recipe. So I'm gonna take the other half and I'm gonna plop it in my pot over here. So you guys saw I just threw it in the pot. And with the corn, what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of Old Bay on my corn, just a little bit, okay? And a little bit of my parsley leaves. And that butter that's already in there, honey. All right, so you know you got a nice little season going, okay? So I'm gonna throw these in the water, and I will be back, you guys, with my finished product. This meal is really quick, really good, delicious, all right? So I'm gonna clean up my area and plop these in. I'll be back. Damn! All right, guys, we are done. Done. Look at how, oh my gosh, I need 2 mittens. It's so hot. Let me get my other mitten. Sorry, guys. So yeah, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? These are Red Lobster style, even better. These are cookie style shrimp scampis. And you see that? You got that nice butter float so that you can just grab and dip if you like. I left them in there for 12 minutes, and these fins started to get crunchy. So I took out the corn. Bring this over, and let me plate up a little bit, and I'm gonna have my little friend come over and try 2 of them. Let's just plate up a little bit just so he could try it. All right, let's get the camera up. Okay, so my friend's here. You guys know Lamb. The shrimp is kind of hot. Yep, it's kind of not spicy, but it's kind of hot. So I dipped it in some butter. And try it and tell mama if you like it.
Oh.
You like it? It's delicioso. And guys, I made some corn. And you guys saw what I put in the corn, Old Bay and butter. Try one, Papa. Delicious, right? All right, guys, so you know what to do. Make my little quick scampi recipe. Come back to the kitchen so we could do what, Lamb?
Good cooking.
Good lookings. Bye.